Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading ngayong May 20 to 26, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ng ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount sa mga tarot reading services, extended hanggang May 31, 2024. So, yung link nasa description at sa pinned comment, paki-check nyo na lang kung gusto nyong mag-book. Okay, Cancer, let's see what's up with you. Cancer, your overall energy. The Strength card, ayan. Malakas ang inyong loob ngayon. You feel like you are in control of your situation. May mga napagtatagumpayan kayo ngayon. 444 sa aking clock. 444. Baka yan ang importanteng number sa inyo. Number 4 is about stability. Stability can be in your finances, yung mindset mo. Let's see what else your challenge. The Ace of Pentacles. So, maaring may challenge sa sisimulan mo na career, trabaho, or negosyo. Pwedeng, yung gusto mong gawin, simulan, pero nagdadalawang isip ka. Hindi ka pa sure. So, kailangan mong gamitin yung lakas ng loob mo. 'Di ba? Your courage to finally start something new. And then your opportunity, Page of Cups. Your creativity, your creative side. Maari ring merong opportunity for love. It can be a love offer, may crush, pwede may nagkaka-crush sa inyo, may interest. Okay? Let's see your blessing. 8 of Cups. Okay. Kaya siguro meron ditong Strength card is because naglalakas loob ka na umalis sa isang situation na sa tingin mo hindi na para sa'yo because you want to explore other options. Kaya rin, ang Ace of Pentacles is your challenge this is about a new beginning So, challenge sa'yo kung paano ka magsisimula. Pero, the moment that you leave this situation that you feel is no longer serving your highest good, hindi na nakakabuti sa'yo, then doon darating yung blessing. Yes. Let's see, i-clarify. What is the Strength card? What is the Strength? 3 of Wands. Exploration to. Expansion. So, I think you're expanding your horizon, your scope. No? Ibig sabihin yan is, may mga tinatry kang bago sa buhay mo. Can be a new career, a new business, no, na mas magkakaroon ka ng fulfillment dahil meron kang mga gagawin na can be in alignment of your talents and your skills kasi this is your opportunity So may opportunity ka na palawakin, paunlarin ang iyong sarili. This can also mean an opportunity for you sa ibang bansa. Kung may bala kang mag-abroad. What is the Ace of Pentacles? 7 of Swords. Okay, siguro meron kang sinisimulan na business, career, trabaho. Challenge sa'yo yan kasi feeling mo, baka may mali kang magawa. Or hindi maging successful. Or baka ma-scam ka. O kaya baka may manloko lang sa'yo. 'Di ba? But, sabi nga nila speed of trust na may mga pagkakataon na kailangan nating magtiwala, lalo na sa ating mga sarili, no? Na kaya nating magsimula at sumubok ng bago. Kasi kung lagi lang nating isipin na, baka hindi ganito, baka ganyan, ganyan. Yung alam mo yung mga negative na mindset na baka hindi maging okay, hindi maging magandang resulta, hindi mo na talaga siya masusubukan kasi yun na agad yung iniisip mo eh. Diba? What is the Page of Cups? Knight of Wands. Ayan. Finally, you are going to take action. Alam mo, kaya mo naman tong gawin. Kailangan lang talaga rito is you have the support that you need. Pero sa totoo lang, ikaw mismo, you can be your own support. Ikaw mismo pwedeng sumuporta sa sarili mo. This is independence. Okay? Nine of Wands. I think itong mga bagay na gumugulo sa isip mo lately, ayan na, malapit na yung liwanag, solusyon, masusolusyonan na yan. And kung nagkakaroon ka ng yung overthinking, 'di ba? Yung what if ganito, what if hindi mag-work, what if mag-work, 'di ba? What if maging successful? Sayang naman, 'di ba, kung di mo sinubukan. So, let's see your money, career, finances. Assets, may investments ka raw. So, pwedeng mag-i-invest ka sa stock market, sa real estate, or anything na magpapaunlad sa iyong kaperahan. Mag-grow na yan. It can be Bitcoin or stock market, anumang assets to. Mas nagiging mature ka na raw sa pag-handle ng iyong kaperahan ngayon. You are taking your responsibility. It's time to become dependable. Yun na, being independent, 'di ba? Na kaya mo on your own. You have the Hierophant. I feel like there are some people na tutulong rin sa'yo, magbibigay sa'yo ng advice. Queen of Swords and the Ace of Wands. Yes, to finally embrace a new start, a new adventure in your life. Lalo na sa iyong career, sa iyong business, sa iyong trabaho. There's a new beginning And it's time for you to reassess your situation na ano ba yung hindi nagwo-work na for you, then wala na, i-cut off mo na, iwanan mo na, and then try something that you feel like will work for you. And kung meron ka mga pinagsasabay-sabay ngayon na opportunity sa trabaho, career, or business, tingnan mo doon kung alin doon yung mas worth it, na mas mag-focus. Okay? Para hindi masayang yung effort mo. Let's see your love. Sabotage. Someone is making excuses. Okay. Merong person, can be a new person in your life. Like what I mentioned kanina earlier in your reading na baka merong nagkakaroon ng interest sa inyo or nagiging interesado kayo sa isang tao. Yung parang nagsisimulang attraction, ganyan. So, you have to get to know this person first. Kailangan makilala mo muna siya. Kasi baka mamaya, nauna na yung ma-fall ka sa person na to bago mo makilala ng lubusan. Tapos meron pala siyang mga bagay na katangian or situation na hindi mo pala gusto. 'Di ba? So, sayang lang. The moon. The moon is about secrets. Anything hidden. Two of Swords. May confusion. Some of you, pwedeng hindi lang isa ang nai-involve sa inyo ngayon. Or pwedeng yung person nyo, hindi lang kayo ang nagiging focus niya. So, might as well get to know this person deeply, no? Bago ka mag-commit. Bago mo ibigay ang commitment sa person na to. Transformation, major change, endings and new beginnings. So, like what I mentioned kanina, maaring maiiwanan kang sitwasyon para magsimula muli. Yes, just allow things to happen, to unfold. And I also see you connecting more with a lot of people. Mas magne-network ka ngayon, collaborating with more people. Mas marami ka ring ideas ngayon na pwede mong magamit, no, para mas ma-improve pa ang iyong career, trabaho, And yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong makikilala na bagong person, yung mga naghahanap ng romantic partner dyan, through your friends na pinakilala niya, tapos ano yun, may common friends kayo. So, you have to get to know this person pa rin kahit na may common friends dahil meron kang kailangan pang malaman tungkol sa person na to na baka huli na ang lahat kapag nalaman mo. So, be more vigilant. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye!